Hi, what's up guys? I'm Varun and today I'm going to be doing a very simple pasta recipe for you guys. So generally when we make pasta at home, it's generally the tomato based sauce or the cheese based sauce that we make at home, and that is probably the most that we do to our pastas, but that in today's world has gotten a little bit boring. But to keep things simple, I wanted to give you guys an idea to make a sauce that is easy to make, is feasible to make at home, and is different from all these commercial and stereotypical sauces that we make at home. So generally the cheese sauce becomes really heavy and the tomato one is boring, so that's why I am doing a pasta recipe for you guys that is gonna be tossed in a roasted bell pepper sauce. So it's a fresh change from the regular tomato sauce. It's vegetable based, it's light, it's healthy for you guys, and it tastes brilliant. So let's check out the recipe.